Fugu, or pufferfish, contains tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin. Improper preparation of fugu can lead to muscle paralysis, including the heart, potentially causing death. Precise cutting techniques are required to remove the toxic organs safely. The liver, ovaries, and skin of the fugu contain the highest concentrations of tetrodotoxin. Unripe ackee fruit contains hypoglycin A, a toxic substance. Ingestion of unripe ackee can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness. Symptoms of Jamaican vomiting sickness include severe vomiting and dehydration. In severe cases, Jamaican vomiting sickness can lead to coma or death. Ripe ackee fruit is safe to eat when properly prepared. Casu marzu is a Sardinian cheese that contains live insect larvae. If the maggots in casu marzu survive digestion, they can cause intestinal myiasis. Intestinal myiasis can lead to symptoms such as abdominal pain, vomiting, and diarrhea. Sanakji is a Korean dish prepared with live octopus. The suction cups on the octopus tentacles can adhere to the throat. Adhesion of the tentacles poses a risk of choking and potential asphyxiation. Raw kidney beans contain lectins, which can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. These symptoms are similar to food poisoning. Proper cooking deactivates the lectins present in raw kidney beans. Thoroughly cooked kidney beans are safe for consumption. The scene contrasts the state of raw and thoroughly cooked kidney beans. Elderberry stems and leaves contain cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide upon ingestion. Ingesting elderberry stems or leaves can cause cyanide poisoning, leading to symptoms such as dizziness and headache. In severe cases, cyanide poisoning from elderberry ingestion can be fatal. Elderberries are safe for consumption in jams, provided the stems and leaves are completely removed during preparation. Rhubarb stalks are edible and commonly used in pies and other desserts. Rhubarb leaves contain high levels of oxalic acid, making them toxic to humans. Consuming rhubarb leaves can lead to kidney stones, nausea, vomiting, and potentially death due to oxalic acid poisoning. It is crucial to discard rhubarb leaves and only consume the stalks to avoid poisoning. Nutmeg contains myristicin, which acts as a psychoactive hallucinogen when consumed in large doses. Overconsumption of nutmeg can induce hallucinations. Adverse effects of nutmeg overconsumption include nausea and vomiting. Excessive nutmeg ingestion may also lead to anxiety. Shellfish, such as mussels and oysters, are filter feeders that can accumulate toxins and bacteria from their environment. Consuming contaminated shellfish can lead to food poisoning, paralytic shellfish poisoning, or other illnesses. The risk of contamination highlights the importance of monitoring water quality in shellfish harvesting areas. Cassava contains cyanogenic glycosides, which release cyanide if improperly prepared. Soaking cassava in water helps to leach out cyanogenic compounds. Peeling cassava removes the outer layer, which contains a higher concentration of toxins. Cooking cassava thoroughly breaks down the remaining cyanogenic glycosides. Proper preparation through soaking, peeling, and cooking is essential to remove toxins from cassava. Green potatoes contain solanine, a toxic glycoalkaloid. Consuming green potatoes can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Neurological symptoms can also result from solanine poisoning. Visually distinguishing between safe and unsafe potatoes is crucial. Starfruit consumption can cause neurotoxicity in individuals with kidney issues due to the presence of caramboxin. Caramboxin, a neurotoxin found in starfruit, can induce confusion and seizures. In severe cases, starfruit-induced neurotoxicity can be fatal. Hot dogs pose a significant choking risk for children due to their cylindrical shape and compressibility. The diameter and pliability of hot dogs allow them to easily conform to and block a child's narrow airway. Complete airway obstruction by a hot dog prevents airflow, leading to choking. Cutting hot dogs into smaller, non-cylindrical pieces reduces the risk of airway obstruction. Raw fiddlehead ferns contain compounds that can be carcinogenic if ingested. Thorough cooking is essential to neutralize harmful compounds in fiddlehead ferns. Proper cooking methods reduce the risk associated with consuming fiddlehead ferns. Contrasting raw and cooked fiddleheads highlights the importance of proper preparation. Raw cashews contain urushiol, a toxin similar to that found in poison ivy. Cashew processing removes urushiol, ensuring consumer safety. The processing method neutralizes the toxin through heat treatment. Processed cashews are safe for consumption and widely available. Unpasteurized cheese may harbor harmful bacteria, including Listeria, E. coli, and Salmonella. Consumption of unpasteurized cheese can result in foodborne illnesses. Pasteurization is a process used to eliminate harmful bacteria from cheese. The pasteurization process involves heating the cheese to a specific temperature for a set duration. Pasteurization ensures the cheese is safe for consumption by removing potentially dangerous microorganisms.